guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. South Korea is preparing metaverse industry promotion law. This is the news authorities with to promote the development of the metaverse industry in the country. It's not the first initiative South Korea has taken to establish a presence in the metaverse and Web3 sector. South Korea creating legal policy for the metaverse. According to local media, the metaverse industry promotion law was introduced by the representative Eun-ha and will contrast with stating the foundation for the numerous metaverse and regulation. South Korean authorities are dedicating separate committee to work on metaverse policy. The Metaverse Policy Review Committee will work with the Minister of the Science, Technology and Information and Communication. The authorities will discuss various questions related to metaverse industry development, including supporting related industries and the project users' rights. South Korea is the first mover in the metaverse industry. South Korean policymakers have consensus on setting the foundation for the metaverse sector. The country's government made $100 $1 million investment in the metaverse industry. It is one of the first investments made by the national government in emerging business. The investment was part of Digital New Deal agenda, the seeks to kickstart the metaverse industry in South Korea by supporting companies and creating 2 million new jobs. The investment is the made of the form of grants the universe and private business engage in the range of endeavors such as the creation of the metaverse platforms. Instructions are holographic and virtual reality (VR), AR, and the augmented reality (IR) technology. Creators of Solana blockchains have also announced a $100 million fund for Web3 startups in the country. South Korean Ministry of Science and ICT on the August 26, 2022 released the first set of the ethical principles of the metaverse that should set the standard for the new digital future. The protections that is was laid on the our self-identified, the self-enjoyment and sustainable prosperity authorities take carefully, ultimately, data operation, fairness, respect for the privacy, and accountability. The investors were also impressed by the authorities as being fundamental values. These are indeed a guardians for the preventing abuse, harassment, and bullying. On the flip side, government must dive deeper in the teach to understand such technology as the metaverse. Also, they will have to make informed education in lawmaking to make sense of the both and opportunities to make embracing Web3 technologies brings one of the nervous lessons for governments. And policymakers will have to address in the following years in how metaverse technology will work with the current regulations. NFT are essential parts of the metaverse remain illegal gray area in South Korea. NFT are not subject to the same rules as the cryptocurrencies in the country. South Korea has become a global technology superpower in recent decades with the companies like Samsung and Hyundai. The metaverse is projects to be next thing in the tech world and the next iteration of the internet if the South Korean government gets its way. Metaverse business made a big thing with the country. Samsung next extend aggressive Web3 projects must face the challenge of the utility. While Web3 has shown a lot of potential for the integration to today, some still believe there is a challenge that players in the space must face, which is utility according to the Samsung. In an interview, Raymond Liao and the managing director of the Samsung Next talk about company move to dive into Web3 by investing in microbyte. In the frame coined by low-text projects to describe and futurist paradigm and the which mechanisms become the primary workout powered by the Web3 technologies. Samsung set a launch crypto exchange in South Korea in 2023. Samsung is planning to launch its own crypto exchange in South Korea as early as next year, according to South Korean news agency. The tech giants will launch the crypto exchange via Cyber Samsung Securities, which describes itself as Korea's leading financial investment company offering a wide range of the service. from stock brokerage to asset management, corporate finance, and property trading. According to news reports, Samsung Securities in connection a study of the ON entered the blockchain-based security token business. At the end of the last year, the company tried to find the manpower to take charge the development and operation of the security token trading platform and the development of the blockchain sense contracts, but were unable to find employment. Furthermore, 7 large domestic securities companies have applied the preliminary approval the NCCL of the correction with the financial authorities for the establishment of virtual assets exchange in the first half of the next year. According to the securities industry of the country, easing of regulation by Korean government is main push. In the popular opinion, the easing of regulation by the Yoon Suk-yeol government has boosted the entry to securities company into the lost assets exchange business. The local media reports revealed that Financial Service Commission plans to promote the enhancement of the virtual currency cryptocurrency business REC, which has been continuously requested by the financial investment allocation at the securities industry. Maybe that's all from me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.